Borasco Grey is the colour on this Range Rover Sport, and they don't last. Every time we get one in this colour with the 23-inch alloy wheels, they sell straight away. This car's only got 8,000 miles on a 2023 registration, and with the live pricing, it's $77,990. So if you like what you see, my name and number is on the screen. Give me a call, get it reserved, and collect it. Because like genuinely, a car like this won't last more than 24 hours. They never do. The car's under manufacturer's warranty till 2026. It's got a black styling pack on it, so that's the badges, the grills, the inserts, because normally on the D300 Dynamic SE, you get rose gold sections here, here, and around the side, but this one is all black with all the different styling on it. You've then got the LED daytime running lights and the LED headlights. Your standard spec on the D300 Dynamic SE gives you things like 360 camera system, air suspension, front rear parking sensors, headlight washers. But then, as I mentioned at the start of the video, this has got the 23-inch upgraded alloy wheels, which are the best set of wheels you can buy in the Range Rover Sport. Combined with this colour, it just makes it a dream car. You've then got the black window surrounds, you've got the sun protection glass, comfort access, and that beautiful ebony interior. You've got ambient lighting pack in there, you've got the full multifunction steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, you've got paddle shift, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, tilt and sliding panoramic roof, another extra. Meridian sound system. You've got this lovely dark chrome bezel around the door cards, the centre dash. There's lots of space for all your friends and family. It really is a fantastic car. At $77,990, we've said this quite often now. Cars like this only 6-9 months ago were nearly £25,000–30,000 more, and that's why they're selling so well, because now they're a brilliant value for money type of car. The LED rear lighting system, automatic tailgate which can be used off the key or you press the button underneath. Massive boot space. Previous customers left in the rear boot liner, so we left it in there for the next customer. See it's going on 40/40/20. Press that button and it locks up. It's the right colour, it's the right spec. 8,000 miles, which is not a great deal. Under manufacturer's warranty, all for $77,990. Now in here, you've got the full digital dashboard, the paddle shift, push button start, 2 keys, your 360 camera system, wireless charging pad just underneath here. It's got literally everything. It is perfect. Like I said, we probably sell between 10 and 12 of the Range Rover Sport every single week, just of this one model. And we're buying as many as possible, but they have to be in the right colour combination and the right specification. When you get one with the sliding roof and the big wheels, it makes a massive difference. So if you are looking at one, but it isn't in this colour, and it hasn't got them wheels, and it hasn't got the sliding roof, but you're saving £900, well, forget it, because you're not buying the right car. If you spend this sort of money, you want the best for your money. My name's Joe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.